This movement test is called ankle dorsiflexion. So what you'll see is that we've set a line on the ground. The front of this line is 4.5 inches, and in this case, the back is about 5 because this piece of tape is about 1/2 inch thick. If you use an inch thick piece of tape, you'll have 4.5 and 5.5, and you can measure men and women on the same piece. So Veronica, full range of motion for you is going to be 4.5 inches from the upright. So what we're going to do, set her up, no shoes on. Toe is going to be towards the end of the tape closest to the rig, and all she's going to do is bend this knee, try to get her knee to the upright without her heel lifting off the ground. You can see her heel is still down. Now, come on back out. Let's just go ahead and do that one more time. Go ahead one more time for him. So that represents full range of motion. So Veronica is demonstrating that she's a bit of a show-off. She can go even past the rig, which is great. In some cases, people will come up a little bit short, so can you show me what short would look like on this, Veronica? Go ahead and now stop there. Now your heel starts to lift off the ground. Okay, that's fine. What we would have those people do, stand back up, we would let them know that they have full range of motion, but that we want to get an exact number. If you have access to tape, bring their foot a little bit closer and keep going until you find the maximum range of motion that they can go on each side. This test is called ankle dorsiflexion.